Introducing the new Milwaukee M12 cordless subscanner. It scans through a variety of materials like plywood, drywall, cement backer board, OSB, and concrete. The M12 subscanner pinpoints the location and gives a detailed description of hidden objects beneath the surface, such as steel studs, wood studs, and electrical conduit. It can even locate rebar in up to 6 inches of concrete. This unique detection tool features a 4-wheel design for smooth scanning and a rugged overmold for added comfort and protection. The Milwaukee M12 cordless subscanner, powered by Red Lithium.